boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Maluma here, Junio. So this is a simple 3-chord song, goes in the same way through the entire song. So that is great. So we need a capo here on the 2nd fret, and with that we will have the F7 chord, the E minor 7, and the A minor 7. So let's start with the F7. You put your finger here, cross all strings on the 1st fret, and the rest will be 3rd on A and 2nd on G. That's the F7. And then we have the E minor 7. So you will have just the 2nd fret A string. Everything else is open strings. And the final chord, the A minor 7. That is open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so we will look at the strumming pattern now. The F7 chord you will play for 1 full strumming round, and then we're gonna divide the strumming for the E minor and A minor. So let's start with the F7. 1 full round will sound like this. Okay, so the first part will be down, 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 up. And the second part will be up, 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 down, up, down, up. Okay, so up, 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 down, up, down, up. So we connect these 2 parts, it will be down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, up. So that's the full pattern, and you will play that for the F7, and then you shift to the E minor 7 and play the part 1, so the down, 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 up, and then you quickly change to A minor 7 and play part 2, the up, 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 down, up, down, up. And that is what's going on for this song. So a couple of rounds of this will sound. That, my friends, covers Maluma's Junio. So thank you for watching, guys. Until next time, like always, play tuned.